Hello my unique queens, welcome back to my channel. It's Quiana Unique here, and today I am going to be trying the Hot Heads Thermal Hair Care Deep Conditioning Heat Cap. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and now I am going to use my Aussie Moist 3-minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner. I absolutely love this product. It's very affordable and it gets the job done. No crazy steps needed for this deep conditioning. I'm simply going to apply this one product all over my hair, and I am going to finger detangle as I go along, making sure that I put enough of this in my hair, and then I'm just going to twist the section up once I am done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I just want to let you guys know I actually contacted this company because I really wanted to try this heat cap out, especially after I found out that they have it filled with natural flax seeds. Now that I have the conditioner in my hair, I am going to cover my hair with these shower caps. They actually supplied some shower caps, but you can definitely get your own. Dollar Tree has a ton. Now, I got the comic book heat cap and I absolutely love it. You're going to put it in the microwave and microwave for 45 seconds, and then you're going to flip it inside out like I did here with the rubber at the top. Do it again for another 45 seconds, and you're going to flip it once more and heat it for 45 more seconds. Once you've done that, you're simply going to place it on your head. Make sure that the other cap is completely covered, and then you can leave this on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now, I know I normally leave mine in for an hour, but I only left it in for 30 minutes, you guys. I wanted to follow the instructions, but I was a bit skeptical, like I need to leave this in a little bit longer. But I wanted to make sure that I got the real results, and I must say I am super satisfied. I did not have to leave this in as long as I normally do, and my hair was still well moisturized, very soft, very fluffy actually, from just leaving it on for 20 to 30 minutes. I must say this heat cap saved me some time, and I absolutely love it and I recommend it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, be unique. See you next week.